Hey guys! Well, welcome to another video. Today we're being a bit of a project because yeah. So I'm gonna be doing little like I'm be testing my builds, all of these, to see if they're doable enough. So let's see if I can survive with this thing. Yeah, what it does is that say if this guy trying to get to my base, I can just like shoot like that. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's all it does, but. But it's a pretty good defense, but let's see if I can survive. I don't think I will, but let's shoot this guy. Because why not? This guy has isolation and wall. This guy's actually pretty smart because isolation mode can't stop like cannons they can't stop like those stuff. And okay, thank God they're still launched because I would have been stuck. Yeah, but let's see if I can survive. My amigos are in the back. Yeah, I'm not gonna shoot. Not giving no time. Yeah, it's what the what? Oh, that was him. Okay, I don't really know why he's here, but what the? Yeah, it's pretty overpowered, I guess. I mean, I don't really know if it's actually really overpowered, but yeah. Oh god, there's like clocks everywhere, like literally. Sorry if the mic is bad. It's I don't know why it's very bad. It's very bad for some reason. Again, I might get a new one. Let's shoot some of these. And then you might shoot one of the rocks. And I'm gonna die. Great, that's fucking great. Thanks not cannon, so I did. Let me just try to get on one of them. It's not gonna make it. No! Okay, I'm dead. That sucks. Whatever. I might see this one day sometime, but that only survives until 30. I have no idea. I'm gonna set them in. I don't really know who he even is, but yeah. I mean, he's a kind of cool avatar. Not really, but that's just for the sake of this video. But let's find another one. Alright, this is UFO. So I'm not gonna use like the actual glitch. I'm just gonna like see if I can survive on them. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Let's stand on like orange. No, actually no, brown. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, come on, no. Oh, he died. Oh, he died. These will be my shields. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. Alright, doing good so far. I already got rid of one, but I don't know if they're actually gonna survive for long, because they're not really that good at surviving, because the ice. Yeah, I painted them like this because I had to paint too much stuff. Yeah, it's not gonna survive for really long, but let's just see if how long they can actually survive for. You can see those like red and basic colors is brown, black, white, gray, and tan. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, there's a lot of them. Yeah, the signs I put out positions. That's why they're not there, because you'll see at the end of the video. I'll show you at the end of the video maybe. But yeah. Alright, doing good so far. It's doing good so far. Then my shields. So yeah, there's wait, wasn't it? Oh, Golden Brown isn't in the front. He's gonna die. Anyway, he's like almost gonna die. Like, come on, Golden Brown, you better than this. Oh, now Stormy Gray is in the front. It's not good. Wait, don't we just move? I don't know. Maybe. Uh oh. Oh god. I'm gonna die in this level maybe. Oh god, it's such a very stressful. Oh god. Oh god. This is so stressful. Oh god. No, please. Okay. That's not good. That's not good. Get me out of this level, god damn it. They're searching them. Oh good. Oh god, please. Not this level. I'm winning on a pole. Oh, black and brown are in the same state for some reason. My helmet broke. No. Oh god. What will I ever do? Alright. I'm surviving. It's doing way good. Oh god. Why is still going on? Get over it. Damn. I'm just gonna jump onto orange. Goodbye, brown. They're my shields. Yeah, I think blue's gonna suck the most, longest. I don't know though, maybe. I don't know. Just wait. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, that eliminated a lot. Oh no, my shields are disappearing. Oh god. No, please, not this level. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh my god, that ad just saved me. Uh-oh. Dan! No. Who's next to fight? Oh god. Oh no. Oh god! Someone help! Oh my waist is gone. I'm dead. Well, I survived actually pretty good actually. Like probably I could tell like the B one. What is this guy building? I forgot he was even here to be honest. So I sorry about that. You know what? I'm gonna go with different team because this guy's gonna get mad every time I. You know what? Actually, never mind. Next is this thing, the Pillar LV. This thing's gonna last forever. Nothing can withstand this thing. I guess I don't know. Well, this let's wait for it to load.
A few moments later.
Alright, now it's not for loading. That's why I did. That's where all the lights first. There's this. There's that. There's this. It may look pretty shitty at the. It may look like a pretty shitty car with blocks, but this thing's very durable. So let's wait for that. Okay, on the second floor. Yeah, this is the bedroom. Yeah, it's pretty cool. On these lights. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna get a jetpack in case like I fall out. It won't happen. It won't happen, but it's just for in case. Like if I whatever. There's I don't know what the demon supposed to be is. I don't know or care what it is. Done. I need more choices. So yeah. This is the game room. It's pretty cool. Stay up in the kitchen. Eat this. Yummy glue. Alright, let's launch. It actually is drivable, but I just don't feel like driving it because it's very risky doing that. So we're going to not drive it. This guy did not really decide to go the car, so he's probably gonna die. Yeah, not a very good idea, pal, buddy. He's gonna die. Even if he actually does survive, all these stages, he probably is still gonna die from like the waterfall. So, oh, okay, never mind. Oh, okay. Okay, well, his brother's gonna stay with me then. I guess. Well, that's gonna suck for him because he died, and yeah. Yeah, I wish I could size the wheels, to make them bigger, like the wheels. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be very, not gonna be very durable, but it actually is very durable. Once the wheels are gone, we're gonna be in action. One wheel gone. Wait, I'm actually gonna try this. I think I actually can. Oh, the wheels. Oh wait, no, I'm not. I can't drive it. I'm not even inside of the. I'm not even driving it. I'm a dumbass. Why is there two cannons right there? What's fudge? Oh, this guy's still here. It gives me as a shield. So, take damage, take damage. That's another damage. So happy, be happy, really happy. Yo, be more damage. Hey, at least one box gone. I'm in the kitchen, hanging out. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh no! It's not so good. Okay, my helmet, I'm just like so here, that's good. Well, that's the back wheel, that's when we were left. We're good, it's on one side, good. Yeah, okay, good, I'll use the gun because I'm there to tip over. I mean, I'm kind of exposed. I mean, kind of, you can't see me, but not like that exposed. Wait, no! Yeah, this guy's bow is, like, broken. Was he deep? No, he's on my team. I think. Oh, no. Start going! Oh god, so scared. There's a people here, it's pretty cool. Uh-oh. Oh no, he's at 17 now. Well, I don't really care because I don't really know why I'm just in this team. Uh-oh. I mean, I actually need windows. Oh god, not this level. Oh, his build! His build is getting demolished! Damn! One block left! Uh-oh. That chest exposed. His build's gone! It's completely gone! Damn! Uh-oh. Still alive. So good. So good. I mean, I did some pretty bad damage, but yeah, I did really bad damage. I did not damage. Uh-oh. I missed. Suck ass. That's good. No, I'm separated. Uh-oh. Oh god, oh no, it didn't break, it's still alive, it's open. I need to open that. Just open it. Yeah, good. Oh god, this is very risky tipping over, and it tipples over. Oh, now it's not good. I thought there's so many chill left. The TV is broken! I'm going to put you more. this level's actually pretty easy. It's pretty good. See, so easy. Alright, it's pretty good. It's doing really good actually. Still alive. It's just a little bit of damage. Just mild. It's just mild damage. Mild. Oh, okay, that floor separated. I mean, I actually would have died if I was on that floor. I think I'm not dead. Yeah, I would have definitely died. Of the chair broke. Yeah, but I would have been double dead. Definitely dead. I like how like the windows, the window things out there. That's funny. I'm so good at this game, I'm so pro, the best. why is the floor still there? Oh, I definitely survived. Yeah. This is so good, so freaking good at this game. Yeah, but even my lucky block survived, it's so good. I picked it, I don't know why I did that. So goddamn good game. That what the? What the? It's turning my entire boat gold. Is that normal? I clicked the lucky block and turned it to gold. It's kind of cool, I guess. It's doing it again. It's spreading. It's an infection, you guys. You guys get out of here. Oh, my. Fees, God! Well, if I survive that is a checkmark. Machine. That's a checkmark. But let's get to this treasure, shall we? Yeah, I got to do. Just like always, I'm so good. Yeah, but for 132, I'm gonna open that. Yeah, here's a team. Next is the fuel tank. This is pretty, so, I mean, I think never, the only time I survived in this tank was 2 times, actually 3 times. I usually die in this one, and this, so yeah, I might not wanna, like, yeah. What is this guy doing in my... Okay... So kind of... Alright, let's go. Let's launch. First, I'm gonna talk to people with this thing. It's gonna be pretty fun. Oh wait, no, he's not. Okay? This guy's pretty fucking weird. This guy's gonna go to every single team, isn't he? Nah. Okay, he sounds like he is gonna like kill me. What about that? Oh wait, never mind. Well, that was that, so let's get out of here. So good. Oh, hey, I didn't take any damage yet, I swear. I'm taking damage though, which is not good. I guess I dodged that. Oh, that's not good. Okay, never mind. It's too late now. Oh shit! Oh. And it doesn't really matter anymore, I guess. Wait, it's a boss in this level! Oh, I think I should get out of here. Square Strike is so good. Oh, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Oh, that's not good. Let me get in. Okay, that sucked. Or I did not survive that at all. So that will get a 70. That is not very good. Now for this is I don't know if I'm just gonna survive this. I'm just gonna see. Yeah, not gonna survive because it's just not gonna work. So let's not do that one. And finally, last but not least, ultimate. Well, yeah, whatever. And this is not done yet, so that's why it looks so crappy. You know, so at it, I'm gonna buy some more. This. I'm gonna like scale it more. Yeah, that won't. Yeah, I don't know why I even did that, but collision time, I guess. Time to put the collisions on, and a notch, and then that's sweet. I'm actually doing this like already today, but you guys have not done the scene before, so let's do this. And tipped over, great. Okay, I'm always on this one because that's kind of unfair. It's retarded. But while you're here, why not like and subscribe? Cause why not? And you can totally unsubscribe. It's fine. As long as you join my videos. But let's continue this because it's just tipped over because it's retarded. Oh no, I want to. Alright. This time I'm confident it will not tip over. If it does, then you guys can unsubscribe. But and it just tipped over again. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna give a wheel this time since I get tip over again. It's kind of retarded. Yeah, it's retarded. Let's do it again. This time at wheels. Yeah, I had 6 wheels. That's about it. Let's do this again. Yes, this thing is kind of fucking retarded, and it's kind of stupid as hell, so gotta chill. And let's go. Alright, good, it's not knocked over, so... Alright, that's all done. And knocked over again, and yes, this is fucking great. Yeah, it's fucking great. Well, that's gonna be it for today. I'm just kidding. Yeah. No, I'll do it again. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. Because I'm kind of fucking tired of doing this now. Shit! No, I raged. That's all you get. Do it again. Fuck. Oh, forget this. I fucking hate this game. Bad game. Bad game. No, it's a bad game. Let's do this again, cause the thing's kind of retarded. And I'm sitting down, so it's not gonna be a problem. So normally it's not wheels, but I added them because it kept on tipping over and I was retarded. It was stupid ass fuck. And yeah, that was really gonna be it. But you know, let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah, I think it is not finished yet, so that's why it looks kind of crappy. But when it's done, it'll look very pro and pretty good, so it'll look outstanding. Oh, I lost 2 wheels. Because there's another one. No, it did not. Never mind. Oh, it was somewhere. It did. It did not, but it took damage though, so kind of a occurrence. Well, it's just not gonna be so good because there's flying balls everywhere and it's gonna affect my, oh no. Die, ball, die! That's definitely lavender. Oh, it's gone. Actually might damage my wheels, actually. That's actually pretty good. No. Okay, it's somewhere. Oh, it's twice. Oh yeah, it's starting to fall apart there. Yes! It's good. I need to go gone. Wait, cause the train already passed. Passed. Good. It's perfecto. That's a direct hit. Yeah, its wall is getting shit on. Yes, one's probably, yes, well, it was probably big. Yeah, just give us a already, this wheel was so dumb, But if you made it this far, then why not consider like a subscribing? I mean, you can unsubscribe, it's totally fine as long as you're watching the video. Let's see the skin. Oh god. Wait, it's just a material. Wait, can it do that? It changed the material. It's kind of weird. Get rid of this wheel already! Oh my god, I guess it already. No, only this is that wheel. Uh-oh. This one's kind of bland. Here's the way like that. Cool, it's bland. And I also have a roof too, so it's no problem. pro. Oh no, not this level. Uh-oh. Jesus Christ, so many bombs. Why is Rio getting like why is Rio getting treated? Fail. Goddamn. Oh, I made it. I'm just so good. Wait, whose door is? Oh wait, that's my other build. Oh wait, that's my other one. Damn. Oh, it's glowing. Not on my watch. You're not gonna go on my watch. Not on my watch. No, please. I'm just a little baby. No. Oh, it took over. Yep, not gonna. What's the name? Oh, it broke. Yeah, it broke. Yeah, it woke. Funny. Oh, I made it. I'm just so good. I'm so pro. These little black spots think that I'm actually doing my build. They can never. Oh, it landed. Nice. So cool. I'll jump off. Well, I'll see if I can get on it again. Oh, okay, I'm much safer now. Well, that will conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye.